Hey friends, hey! Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Symone, your new favorite cash stuffer. If you're not new to the channel, then it is just your favorite cash stuffer. I am a zero-based budgeter on a mission to becoming debt-free by applying the Dave Ramsey method to my finances. So if that's your vibe, then continue to watch. Hey loves, happy new month. All right, so I kind of went ahead and did a little pre-setup just so that we can get things moving forward. I did my calendar date. I forgot to state which month we are in, and we are in March. So let's just go ahead and color that off. We are in the month of March. I'm so excited. I swear the year seems like it's already over. It might just be me, but I digress. Let's just push forward and log my payday because that is next on my key. I found these really cool stickers. I've had them for years and years and years when I used to use Happy Planner. So I'm just gonna use them because why not? Why waste my money, right? So, oh no, I put it on the wrong one. Okay, let's see if we can fix that. Hopefully we can. Oh my goodness, how are you guys doing on this beautiful Sunday? That is when I am filming this video because I'm a little bit behind, guys. So you might be getting this on a Monday. If you get it on a Sunday, your girl pull an all-nighter. Okay, next payday would be, so I get paid bi-weekly, so paid would be the 20th. So let me just go ahead and put that down. I hope I'm not messing this up. I think that would be 2 weeks, right? Bi-weekly. And now this one is going to throw me off because it's not perfectly aligned. And my little OCD is tripping. All right, let's try this one more time. If it doesn't work, I'm not gonna be over the top with it, but it did. So here we are. So payday is done. Do you like my cute pen? It's the cutest little flamingo on the top. I just love that. All right, so paydays are done. Next up, we are going to do revolving bills. These bill stickers are a little big, and I have multiple bills on the same day sometimes, so I'm just gonna set that to the side. I might have not mentioned it, but this is going to be a realistic budget with actual numbers. So yeah, I think this is good enough. This is pretty good. So you guys are just going to sit back, relax, listen to some music while I put in my revolving bills as well as my debt. And I think I have one paid event. I know that much. My daughter has a field trip and I need to pay for that. So I'll jot that down. Okay, so all my bills are filled in. Whatever is not filled in, I don't know that amount just as yet, but as soon as I get the bill, I will just kind of go ahead and jot it in. The revolving bills are all filled out, my debts, and then event that cost. I just have to double check with my daughter, but I'm just going to plug it in for Monday and say 40. It's within that range. I think it's like $35 to $40. So I'm going to just put that, and I don't even know what to label it as. I guess field trip. Yeah. So all of that is done. So moving on to my actual budget, and I kind of wish that I did a little pre-fill in. So we're in March, get that out of the way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-fill everything in, and then we'll come back and do the numbers so that, you know, for time's sake. Okay, so all the subheadings are filled out. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug the numbers in, which I've already started because I got carried away. Let's just go ahead and continue. And I'm gonna do things a little bit different. You'll see what I mean. Instead of plugging an actual, like what my payroll is going to be, I'm going to do it just a little bit different. You'll see. All right, so I did my rent, Netflix, water, Canva, Shopify, bank fee, Apple, just because I got a little carried away. So I am at my car insurance, and that will be let's just say 136. We're gonna do a little rounding. My tenant insurance will be 29.60. Apple 149. Internet is going to be 40. Life insurance 135.68. You know what's so funny? These little numbers, they're small, but they add up, if you know what I mean. Like, they just all add up. Surprisingly, I don't know what this is, and I hope this does not come back to bite me in the butt. My electric bill, which has already been sent to me for the month of March, is $17.87, which is crazy because I've gotten a bill for $200. So I don't know if they made a mistake on that or what the case may be, but I'm just going to brace myself and call it a day. Okay, my Prime is $11.29, and then I have an Amazon bill because I purchased something. It's $116, and instead of putting it as a debt, I'm just going to put it as a bill because once it's paid, it's done. For my phone bill, I'm going to budget, $255. That's on average what it is. Groceries, I'm going to say $900 because groceries will forever just be that bill that I could never get under wrap. Gas, $80. Household, $60. I don't need as much items as I did last month. I pretty much stocked up for February, so I just want to get one or two things so I could build a stockpile, and that's just a little hack to kind of help you to save down the line. Spending, I'm going to say 40, and then for children, I'm gonna say 60 because I know my daughter has a field trip coming up, so I'd probably have to like pay for the trip and then give her a little pocket money. All right. For emergency, I want to put $40. The Heart of Savings, 15. For my month ahead actual challenge, I'll put 20. Rainy day will get 15. And for my $5 challenge, 20. I want to kind of double down. 31 days, I will put 20. 52 weeks, which I have not yet started, guys. I didn't even start it last month. I didn't end up putting anything inside of it, so I'll go ahead and budget 50 so I could try to catch up. Spring is somewhere, I think March 20th, so for that one I'm going to budget $15. For my 100 envelope challenge, I'll say 50. And this one that I stated as other, I built like I guess a bills binder, somewhat like a month ahead, but I kind of choose which bill from the binder I stuff, so I'll call that other and just say bills so I remember, because last month I did that and I did not remember exactly what it was. So I will budget 40 for that and kind of put it wherever. Now I'm just going to add everything up and see what we're working with. guys, so the budget is all done, and I know I was a little bit all over the place, but in due time everything will make sense. Because this is Q1, I am going to be closing out my budget with you guys, so you guys will kind of see the method to my madness, so to speak. So normally I would put in my income, and then based off what I have is a total budgeted income, I would kind of subtract my expenses, such as my variables, my savings, my fixed and whatnot, and then have a remainder. But for the month of March, my income will be blank. So will the remainder, because I don't have a set income just as yet. The remainder will be blank, and I'm doing that way because things are going to be a little bit spontaneous for the month of March. Number one, it's tax season. These numbers are a little bit more flexible, so my income for the month of March will be a little bit different. So all of these numbers are a little bit more flexible. I'm not going to put a set income, and I'm not going to put a remainder because the two goes hand in hand. But this is what I'm working with so far. So as the summary states, for my fixed expenses, $4,432.33 will go towards my fixed expense, $1,140 for variables, going towards my savings, $295, sinking funds, $200, and debt will be $410. So that will be it for my March budget. I'm super excited because this is the first time that I will be closing up my budget with you guys. So I can't wait to see how things kind of play out. That is it for today. If you got this far into the video, comment a pink heart down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic budgeted month for March. It is so exciting. Q1 is officially over for us budget girlies. So yeah, until next time, bye y'all.